In this video, we're going to talk about set operations. We're going to be discussing a union operation, difference operation, intersection, subset operation. In the code, you can see I've got set A and I've got set B. And here's an image which represents a union operation of a set. The definition of a union operation on set is that it includes all the items in both sets. Here we got set A and B, and A has 4, 5, 6 and B has 4, 5, 6 as well. So if we perform a union operation by printing out A dot union B, so a union function can be performed on any set, and it needs another set which will be the second of the union operation. Now if I run the code, you will see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it basically includes all the items of both sets without duplication. For the printing, I'm going to create a set C here, and I'm going to leave that empty. And then I'm going to perform C equal to A dot union, and we'll pass in B. Actually, just let's get rid of that declaration. Now we're just going to print C. I'm going to save the file and run the code. Now we can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 available in C. So that's a union of A to B. Now if I add 6 multiple times here, okay, and maybe we can add something like 4, 3, 2. Let me just format the code. Let's run the code, and result we get is the same. This is because a union operation will not add the same value to set C. It will only have one value at once. So that is a union operation. Let's talk about intersection operation on set. For that, I'm gonna open this intersection.png file to visualize it. Now here you can see we have some gray area. So what does that mean? An intersection of set is a set of all items that appear in all the sets. Basically, the common values which are available in both sets will be added to the new set. So I'm going to actually clear this up a bit. Let me just get rid of these values as well. Let's save the file, and I'm going to perform intersection instead of a union. Let's save it, and I'm going to run the code. Now we get 4 and 5. This is because intersection means only find the common values which are available in both sets. So 4 and 5 is available in A, and it is available in B as well. So let's talk about a difference operation. So I'm going to open this diagram which illustrates A minus B. So the difference between two sets is basically what is in the set 1 and not in other. So I'm going to perform that operation on set A. So A dot difference B. So it's going to look for whatever is available in B and available in A, and whatever it is not available, that will be part of the C. So let's run the code, and we get to see 1, 2, 3. In 3 operation, union, intersection, and difference. And we had to call a method on A for difference, for intersection, and for union. But in Python, you can achieve the same behavior by using some symbols. For example, if I would like to print out A difference B, so I can say A minus B. Let's save it and run the code, and we can see 1, 3 is getting printed on the console. So if I want to have something like a union, so I can do A pipe symbol B. There's a space here. Let's save the file and let's run the code. Now this is the union of set A and B. We can do intersection as well by using AND symbol, so A and B. Let's save the file and run the code. Now we can see we have an intersection operation getting done by using this AND symbol. So there's two ways in Python that you can achieve the similar behavior. Now next thing we're going to talk about is going to be subsets. The isSubset method can be used to check whether all of one set's element exists in another set. So this is whether the set is a subset of another. This is like a basic math that you can do. So if I say print a.isSubset, I'm gonna have to use parentheses. So a.isSubset, and let's put in b. Let's save the file and run the code. Now it says false because a has values which are not present in b. We have an equality which can be used as double equal to sign. So I'm just going to use a equal to b, save the file, run the code, and it returned false as well. You can negate this operation by using exclamation mark, and let's save it, run the code. Now we get to see true. So a is not equal to b, which is true. That's why we're getting a value true on the run window. Okay, that's about set operations.